Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to shoot 15 rounds into this circle with this 13-pound spring, and then I'm going to shoot 15 rounds into the other circle. Try to do as fast as I can, keep them in the circle with the Glock OEM spring. And here's the OEM spring. After I shoot the first mag, I'm going to swap to this spring, then shoot the other one. And I'm going to time both of them and look at the times and look at the groups and see how I do. And you guys can track the slow motion. That was 6.09 seconds. I moved a little faster. That was 5.04 seconds. So let me show you guys what I got. This was at 3 yards. This was with the NDZ spring. That was the first mag I shot. And ignore these below here. That's something different I did. So that was 6 point something. This was the factory spring. That was 5.04. Alright, so you guys can look at the slow-mo and see what you think about the muzzle rise, and you know, if it was me, and kind of make up your mind for yourself if you're debating going to a 13-pound spring versus the factory spring, and if it's really worth it or not. Alright, have a good day.